Hi, welcome to this video. This video is going to show you how to do a dashboard in Excel using pivot tables and charts. The Excel version that I'm using is Excel 2013. So let's get started. We have two sets of data, income statements and balance sheets. Alright, so let's first create a pivot table. So if you go to Insert, Pivot Table, the range has been selected already, and then we want it to be in a new worksheet. So that's already selected. Click OK. You want to click Company, Items in the columns, Amount and Values. So in values, you want to change it to sum instead of count. So then we have all the values over there. And also we want the years as well. Okay, so Next, let's create a chart. A chart that we're gonna create is a line chart. So go to Line. Okay, let's cut it and paste it in a new worksheet called Dashboard. Paste. Alright, next we're gonna create another pivot table in using the income statement tab. So go to Insert, Pivot Table. Again, the range is selected, and that's the new worksheet. Okay, and then you wanna use the company, item, amount, and years. So the values it's in counts, but we want it to be sum. So use sum. So we're gonna do a chart out of it. The chart type that we're gonna use is gonna be a bar chart, a 2D bar. So cut it, Control X to cut, and then paste it in Dashboard, the tab Dashboard, and paste it with Control V. Alright, so next we're gonna do two pivot tables with this balance sheets tab as well. So go to Insert, Pivot Table. So okay, this is in the new worksheet. You want to have the companies, balance sheet items, and let's put the account items in filter, and then the years. This is what we have. Let's do a pie chart. So Insert, Pie to Pie. Let's cut it and paste it in. Let's move this down a little bit. Move this down and paste this here. Okay, so that's our pie chart. Another chart that we're gonna create is a line chart. So let's go back to the balance sheet tab. Go to Insert, Pivot Table. Okay. So we want the company in the rows, balance sheet item, the year over here, and then the amount and values. So it's already sum, we don't need to change it. So let's click Insert, and we want to select a line chart. Let's see. Let's use this one. So Control X. Go back to Dashboard and paste. Control V. So basically, this is all the charts that we have with the data that we have in balance sheets and income statement. Let's sanitize the charts a little bit. So we're gonna remove all of the filters by right click, hide all field buttons on chart. so then all those filters will be gone. Let's do it the same for all charts. Hi. Okay, so now the next step is creating a slicers from all these charts. So how you want to create a slicer, go to each chart, click on anywhere, go to insert, slicer. So for this one, we want the balance sheet accounts. So click that, okay, then it will pop up this window. Another way that we wanna create is this chart over here. So the same, insert, slicer. We want account items. So let's put it on the side. Okay, we want the year as well. So insert, slicer, the year. Okay, let's minimize it. Minimize. And let's put it under the balance sheet. The other two slices that we're going to create are from these two charts. So just click anywhere, insert, slicer. Here we want the items. And then with the chart on the right, we want a slicer with year. Okay. And then we're gonna put it here. The function of this slicer is now that we're gonna connect using this. So let's say if you want, okay, so the next step is click on the chart, go to design, and you can select any one. So let's say we want to select this one with, okay, select this style. Let's say you want to only need assets, then it only show assets, current assets, liabilities, and then the current assets. As you can see, the blue portion is Apple, and then Google is 41% with Microsoft 29% with current assets. But if you want, oh sorry, that was 9 current assets. And then with current liabilities, Apple is 34, Google 33, and then Microsoft is 33 as well. So on the right, we have all the account items. So we have accounts payable, accumulated, amortization, cash and cash equivalents, common stock. So let's say if you want to view cash and cash equivalent items, so the bottom we have all the years, 2013, 2014. Okay, at the bottom over here, we can analyze it by, we want to select only revenue. Sorry, it's actually total revenue. And then the selling and general admin. Oops. Press Control and then selling, general, and admin. You wanna also know the net the net income from continuing operations. Those 3 lines. And then on the right side, you wanna have the year 2013, 14 or 15, either way you want. And then the last one is we're gonna connect all the tables. So select on the tables, select on the chart, go to options, report connection, click OK. You may want to do the same for every single one. I'm gonna click assets, and then the same. Okay, so then everything now is connected. Alright, so the last step is typing the name. We call this financial statements analysis dashboard. Make it a little bigger. And that's it. Thank you for watching the video.